Now, there are some of you who will be writing mains in a few days. Some of you will write your state exam mains again in a few weeks' time. So, I want to spend approximately 2-3 minutes to assuage some of your concerns. And I'm fairly certain that some of you will watch this recording because you want to double speed and listen to things. One thing is very important, that the next few days are extremely critical for you, to all those writing mains. There's a lot of nonsense that you will hear. Relax, stop writing answers now. Do not fall into that trap. All of that is an idiotic advice. Last 1 week, extremely important. You cannot afford to relax at this stage. You will get marks for whatever you write, not for what you know. So make sure that you do these 3-4 things very well. Number one, continue with your writing practice. The practice of answer writing at this stage will definitely make you better than 95% of people who are ultra relaxing in this most crucial phase. Many idiots will tell you, stop answer writing. You have worked already very hard. But now is the time to work smart. No matter what, you have to ensure that you are completing all your papers. You cannot afford to even miss single question in mains. It is in this stage your answer writing practice will come to rescue. Finalize whatever pen that you have. Keep on writing answers, at least for 3 to 5 hours every day. Number two, whenever you're writing answers, at a very macro level, think from the perspective of examiner. What kind of answers would an examiner like to read? Make things easy for the examiner. Draw diagrams, use structures, make things pleasing for the eyes of the examiner. 80% of mains is about presentation. I'm not kidding. Presentation is very important. If you're writing mains, you already know the content. Do not ignore presentation. Market yourself very well. This is one thing that you should learn from Modi government. Marketing, very critical. You can laugh about it, but marketing is very important. Not just for countries, but also for you. And how you market yourself in the mains examination via your answers and structures. Number three, follow the routine. Wake up at a specific time, work out, meditate, 9 to 12 write answers. Rest of the day, you can keep on revising things. But please overlap that answer writing time with the time that you will use in the mains examination hall. Number four, stay calm. Half of your battle will be won, like that. If you can stay calm, do not overthink. Do not talk to people in the examination hall. Don't discuss question paper after the exam is done. If you can stay calm, composed, happy in this mains journey, you will outshine, because many of your peers will write crappy answers. It's a competition between who writes less crappier answers. All of you will write answers in a lot of stress. Use calmness to your advantage. Even if you mess up any of the papers, do not give up. You can still get the rank. Most importantly, stop social media now. No YouTube videos, no Instagram, no WhatsApp, no Telegram. Create a zone for yourself. A zone of a winner. Winners are not distracted by all the nonsense going around. 1 week is extremely important, can decide your rank. Do not take this lightly. You work very hard. Last few days, very important. All the very best to all those writing mains examination for UPSC or state PSCs.